Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Uzanu. I'm here back with the Wattpad tutorial 2020. Today I'll be teaching you how to sign up for the Wattpad account from mobile. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's get start learning. First of all, open the Wattpad app, then click on join for free. Just remove that smart lock. So first, for signing up for Wattpad account, there are three ways. One is from connecting your Facebook account, and another one is from Gmail, connecting your Gmail account, and the another one is just filling out form, email, username, password, and birthday. So for me, the convenient way for me is this third way, but also let me show you just a glance of every method. So from Facebook, just put your account details and authorize and connect the Wattpad app. As for Gmail, just choose your Gmail and your account will be created. And then make sure you set a password after you have created by connecting your Gmail account. And so but I will be showing you how to sign up for the Wattpad account by this filling up this email, username, password, and birthday. Set your birthday, then click on start reading. Now, hi Uzanu, to get the best Wattpad experience, we want to know a bit of you. I like to read, I like to write, you can choose any of them. I will choose this, I like both. Next, hi Uzanu, so you like to write. What describes you as a writer? You can choose any of this option. I'll be choosing for I mostly write for form. No, you can. Hi Uzanu, to get the best Wattpad experience, tell us about yourself. Your resume will be kept private. You can say what gender you are. Next, now it's the time to choose a variety of category you like. Hi Uzanu, choose up to the 3 genres that you enjoy reading. This will help us to better recommend stories you love. I will be choosing romance, werewolf, and adventure. Then click on finish. Ta-da! Your account is created. So thank you for watching this Wattpad tutorial video. I hope you get to learn something. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you ever face any problem creating a Wattpad account, let me know in the comment box below, or also in all of my social media platforms. So all my social media links will be in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram also to never miss an exclusive pics and videos. Much for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.